Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can activate the LLMS.txt file on your WordPress website. Now, for the sake of the video, I'm going to be showing you two methods to actually do this on your website, and the first method is using the Rank Matte plugin. So if you already have Rank Matte installed on your WordPress website, it's easier. All you have to do is just come to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Rank Matte, then click on dashboard and then scroll to LLMS TXT file, and you can have this toggled on. Now what the LLMS TXT file does to your website is it allows artificial intelligence modules to access your website and to understand better what your contents are all about. So once you have activated the feature on the dashboard, the next thing is to come to general settings, and then you can edit how you want the LLMS TXT file to serve your content to AI models. There are a couple of options you can go ahead and tick based on your preference. So that's the first method to activate LLMS.txt file on your WordPress website. The second method would be to manually generate the file, and for that you can use an LLMS generator like the wordlift.io. Now if you come to this website and then you input your website URL and then you select the options and process URL, you'll be served a content like this. This is the content for your LLMS.txt file. So all you have to do is just click to copy, and then you can paste that on a notepad and you can save as LLMS.txt on your PC. So once you have saved the document on your PC, the next thing is to go to your WordPress website root directory or your website's root directory and have the file uploaded there. Alright, so to do that, log into your website cPanel and come to File Manager. Alright, so on File Manager, go to Public HTML, and then you want to upload the content right here. So to do that, just click on Upload and then select File, and then select the LLMS TXT file that you saved earlier. Click on Open. Alright, and then the LLMS TXT file has been successfully uploaded to your WordPress website. So to confirm that, you can simply go to your website /LLMS.txt and then click on enter. So if you see your LLMS TXT file like this, it means that the process was successful. So guys, that's how to go about activating LLMS TXT on your WordPress website using either Rank Matte or by manually uploading a TXT file to your website's directory. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.